Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations. There are no limits on anything in your life, and that includes makeup. Do whatever you feel like, how you like. Apply your makeup the way that makes you happy and enjoy life because life is short. Today's eye look, I am taking it from the Morphe palette, and it is the 35 Eye Magic Mirror. I am working with grays, so let us see if I can create a little grungy, smoky gray, but I think more grungy than smoky. I already have mostly everything on. That's in another video, but right now it's the eyeshadow. I'm using my fingers because the two colors I'm using today, they are shimmers. So here we go. First gray shimmer. I am going to put it over here. We are going for grungy. I am liking this little dark gray shade. Beautiful. Looks like I'm going to have some fallout, but I will take care of that. I am putting it all over my lids. First eye is done. There are two grays in there. One is lighter than the other. I want a little grunginess today. So we're working with grunge. So I'm using the darker one. I will use the lighter one another day. Am I looking grungy yet? Am I looking grungy yet? Now I'm taking this shade. It is a black, but it's like a creamy black. So I'm just gonna take my fingers and go over the edges of that gray so I can get it to look grungy. I need grunge. Next one, what you do to one eye, do it to the other. Then I'm just putting it over it. I'm gonna use a brush and then fix it. I have to make sure everything match because I have hooded eyes. So I have to stretch to get in the middle of the crease and then I relax my eyes to get the rest. Now this is where the brush comes in. Take the brush and I'm just going to go back and forth because I want it to be grunge. Just to smooth it out a little. Glossy lips. I'm going to do a glossy lip. I already have something on. My lips, I'm just making it glossy. So I'm just putting a lot of gloss on there. So I just put a lot of gloss just to make it glossy. You see the difference? It's very glossy from when I started. I'll be back after I put on my eyeliner, my mascara, and we'll see if I created a grungy or a smoky gray look. I'm going for grungy. Today's I am worthy of receiving good things. That came from the comments. I am worthy of receiving good things. You are worthy of receiving good things. Today's grungy gray eye look is ready and complete. Let me know if I did grungy any justice. And I matched it with a glossy lip. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. Never give up on yourself. If you need any kind of help, reach out. Do not be ashamed. You are not the only one in the struggle. I will see you in the next video. And until I see you and you see me, rise above the negativity. Rise above the negativity. I will see you shortly. Bye bye.